This is me walking to class, the long way. Again. I like taking this route because I see a lot of cool things, like construction. A lot of construction. I see this restaurant that I've heard is good. And just really pretty buildings. Not this one though. This one's a bit scary to me. But that one's pretty. And I see a lot of luxury brand shops. I can never afford any of this, but it's fun to look at. Also, bonus, I get to see Cillian Murphy every time. There he is. But the best of all, in my opinion, is this. Now it's actually starting to look like school. But again, I took the long way. Through these beautiful arches, down Philosopher's Walk. You go through a lot of buildings here, and one that I've never gone into is the Faculty of Music. But I'm so glad I did, because I got to see a really cool sculpture. I don't know what it means at all, but it's cool. I like it. The building also leads to the law buildings, which are some of my favorites. I like them because you can really spend hours just staring at them, at all the details and the brickwork. I hope to study here someday, but who knows? It's a really scary building. It even has really scary steps leading to it that make you feel so tiny. This time, I'm not going the long way, because there's only one way. But it still takes me through some of the most beautiful places on campus. This is University College. It's one of the oldest, I think the oldest, building on UofT, and it's also very stareable. You can spend hours staring at this one too. I remember coming here in high school and staring at this huge building and just dreaming that I could get to call this place my school. And now I do. You just have to ignore the construction for a while. Every time I walk down this path, I get stopped by a little squirrel wanting food. And I've learned that the longer you look at them, the more they think you have food.
No, we're sorry.
I finally got to the building I have my class in. I've heard that many people don't like it, at least in the past, but I think it's okay. This is the only video I took in class. I was paying attention. Then I came to my favorite library to study. This is meant to be the quiet room, and it's so quiet that my filming was making the most noise. After a few hours of studying, I decided to leave because I was tired of biochem. While leaving, I actually ran into a new friend. Say hi! To go home, I decided to take the long way again, through Queen's Park. The weather was really nice, and sometimes you see scenes that make you really happy. Taking the long way isn't always bad. I could have just gone straight to class, but this way, we saw so much beauty that we wouldn't have otherwise. You still get to your destination, but the long way makes it thoughtful. Because as the saying goes, it's not about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Then I did go home, but I saw something really cool that I wanted to show you.